Starting with unsolved numerical 11, a sound wave in a certain fluid medium is reflected at an obstacle to form a standing wave. Means here a stationary wave is formed. The distance between two successive nodes is 3.75 centimeter. Now what you all have studied in the theory that the distance between two successive nodes is given by lambda by 2. So lambda by 2 is equal to 3.75 centimeter. That is lambda is equal to 2 into 3.75. If I want to convert the centimeter into meter, I'll have to multiply with 10 raised to minus 2, and here is the meter. With the velocity of the sound, that is v, is given by 1500 meter per second. Find the frequency of the sound. We have this formula, v is equal to n lambda. So n can be obtained using the formula v upon lambda. What is v? V is 1500, and what is lambda? It is 2 into 3.75 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now let this be as 15 and this 2 zeros, and when I take 10 raised to minus 2 in the numerator, that becomes 10 raised to positive 2, and this 2 zeros make this as 10 raised to 4. Now in the denominator I have 2 into 3.75. Let's make it as 375. If I'll remove point from here, and after point I have how many digits? 2 digits. So it will be 10 raised to 2 in the numerator because I have shifted the points in the denominator. That is equal to your frequency. So 15 ones are, or if you don't know the table of 15, then you can go with 5. 5 threes are 15. 5 sevens are 35. 36, 37, 2 over here. 5 fives are 25. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 fives are 15. So now it is 2 into 25. That is 2 fives are 10. Okay, let me write. In the numerator it is 10 raised to 6. 25 into 2, 2 fives are 10, and this becomes 50. That is, again I'll take this 0, so this becomes 10 raised to this is 10 raised to 6. Okay, and I have, it is at see, and this 0, that is 10, so here, and it cancels from here, so this becomes 10 raised to 5. Now 5 ones are, 5 zeros are 0 point, so that becomes 10. 5 twos are 10. Now it is 0.2 into 10 raised to 5 is equal to n. I'll break this. 0.2 into 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to 3 is equal to n. 10 raised to 5 I have broken into 2 plus 3, that will give me 5. You all have learned indices. So I'll multiply to 0.2 into 10 raised to 2. That will give me, see, 0.2. I'll add as many number of zeros you want, you can add. I will shift the point to 2 digits towards the positive sides because it is 10 raised to 2. So 1 and 2. So this is 20.000. After 0.0 has no sense, so it is 20. Okay, into 10 raised to 3 hertz is equal to your frequency. Is your frequency, or 10 raised to 3 can be written as 20 kilohertz as your frequency. Hope you understood.